Is the concert? When is the concert?
The concert is on Saturday evening. The concert is on Saturday evening.
How long does it take to get to the airport? How long does it take to get to the airport?
It takes about 45 minutes to get to the airport. It takes about 45 minutes to get to the airport.
When is the deadline for the project? When is the deadline for the project?
The deadline for the project is next Monday. The deadline for the project is next Monday.
What time do you usually go to bed? What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
When is your dentist appointment? When is your dentist appointment?
My dentist appointment is on Friday morning. My dentist appointment is on Friday morning.
How long will the meeting last? How long will the meeting last?
The meeting will last for 2 hours. The meeting will last for 2 hours.
Are you available on Thursday? Are you available on Thursday?
No, I'm not available on Thursday. No, I'm not available on Thursday.
When are you planning to go on vacation? When are you planning to go on vacation?
I'm planning to go on vacation in August. I'm planning to go on vacation in August.
What time is your flight? What time is your flight?
My flight is at 6:45 a.m. My flight is at 6:45 a.m.
When is your sister's wedding? When is your sister's wedding?
My sister's wedding is on July 24th. My sister's wedding is on July 24th.
What time do you usually have lunch? What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch around 12 p.m. I usually have lunch around 12 p.m.
What time is your train arrival? What time is your train arrival?
My train arrives at 6:15 p.m. My train arrives at 6:15 p.m.
How often do you go shopping? How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week. I go shopping once a week.
When is your friend's graduation ceremony? When is your friend's graduation ceremony?
My friend's graduation ceremony is on May 30th. My friend's graduation ceremony is on May 30th.
How many cups of coffee do you drink per day? How many cups of coffee do you drink per day?
I drink 2 cups of coffee per day. I drink 2 cups of coffee per day.
How often do you clean your house? How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house once a week. I clean my house once a week.
When will the order be completed? When will the order be completed?
The order will be completed by next week. The order will be completed by next week.
How early should I arrive for the meeting? How early should I arrive for the meeting?
You should arrive 10 minutes early for the meeting. You should arrive 10 minutes early for the meeting.
Time is it? What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock.
What day is it today? What day is it today?
It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday.
What is the date today? What is the date today?
It's May 17th. It's May 17th.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 10th. My birthday is on June 10th.
What time does the movie start? What time does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7:30 p.m. The movie starts at 7:30 p.m.
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.